No, let Dad do it. Let Dad do it. Skylar.
Oh yeah. Dad has more stuff than Mom. Sorry.
Okay.
Wait, is this mine?
Yeah.
Get a toothbrush? Hey, you can start using mine.
That's it.
Play-Doh.
Let's see what Dad has in his stocking.
Ooh. I get bugs, Mom. Mom, that was the same bugs, Mom. Chip or something? Ooh, I get more. Is it?
Skylar, read it for Daddy.
I'll read it.
I can read it.
Simply and worry. Simply and worry. Not too much and not too little. Just the right amount of bubbles. Just a little sip, and then you go. Oh, it's just like a bubble bath.
It's soap.
Oh.
Cool, thank you. You got a sticker too.
Aiden, what do you got?
I got lots of toys.
Yeah? Skylar, what'd you get in yours? Sky,
Lots of stuff.
can you look at me?
Well, look, I got pirate